Wow, that's awesome, Kellen.
Honey. Oh, you're gonna color? Honey, no! You don't write on yourself. Look. Look.
My baby stuff too.
Yeah, look, fishies.
She said poison. She said what? She said poison.
Fishy.
Quality.
You want a green fishy? Look.
She said it's green.
Green fishy.
Oh, cookie, butter.
Why did he write on himself? He's like...
Wow.
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 That's cool, Kellen.
Wow.
Circle?
Circle.
Can you do a circle?
Good job.
Yeah, well, good attempt. Honey, we gotta put the caps back on them.
Blue? Is that blue?
It's funny because he wrote on himself in white and you can see it.
Do you need
On
some,
his- Let Grandma help you,
do you
honey.
need some help with the cap?
Here.
Here. There you go. Move, Fritz. Move, Fritz.
Where's the blue? Oh, he
He's
has
got
it.
the blue. Write your name, Kellen. Can you write your name?
Right on the wall.
Really?
Honey,
Look
watch
at him.
what...
He's looking at the camera.
I know! Honey, watch what you're doing. Look what he did. Watch what you're doing.